Hey there, Escambia County teachers, and welcome back to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. This week we're taking a look at posted final grades and assignment details in the grade summary. Let's get started. From the menu on the left-hand side, select Students, and then click Student Info to perform a search, or click on a student from your roster in one of your classes. Next, you'll see the student's name, followed by the Student Information tabs listed across the top. Today we're going to be looking at the Grades tab. Go ahead and click it to enter the Grades Summary Report. If the student that you are viewing has a current GPA rank, you will see that in the blue table at the top. Next, you'll see different options to include in your Grade Summary Report. These options will differ by the school level. In your Grade Summary Report, the first column will show the year, followed by the school, period, rotation days, course number and course title, teacher, as well as absence summary for that particular course, and then you have your grade summary report listing to the side. Currently, this is a high school course, so I have show progress periods checked. This is how I am seeing grade data in these columns. If you'd like to show exams, you can click Show Exams, and then click Update. Looking at my grade column, once again, this is a high school example, so I have progress periods listed in the columns. If you are an elementary or a middle school teacher, you will see quarters listed in these columns. You'll see a percentage grade depending on your school. Here you can see that this is the overall grade calculation from the grades listed in the course gradebook or posted final grades. You can see here that there is a little arrow in the top right corner. This will take you to visit the course gradebook where you can look at assignments in more detail. So here we can look at our quick grade summary to see where the student is in each one of these classes listed for the year, or I can click into this box to go and navigate to the course gradebook for that particular section and see the assignments listed for that teacher. Here on the assignments page, I have the ability to look at all class assignments for the quarter, as well as the standing in that current class. I have the ability to drop down right here and look at each one of the classes listed on the schedule for this student. And if I'm done with that, I can return back to the View Grade Summary to take me to the Grade Summary screen. Here in the Grade Summary screen, you also have the ability to print the assignment grades. Right here, I'll click Print Assignment Grades, and I'll have all assignment grades across all courses included. You also have the ability to include active courses or include courses from other schools. Turn those off if you would not like them included. If I would like to print this for the student, I can click the print button here at the bottom, or right next to that I can click the arrow to choose a template to print this. If I want to print this on midterm progress report template, I'll select that from here and then choose print. You'll see now that it'll generate on that template chosen and show all assignment and course details from the grade summary screen. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for watching. Check out the additional videos listed here and open the description below for more resources and a comment card for future video requests. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.